Vegas tips and tricks for Saturday, September 14, 2019. T-3 days until we begin Vegas 43. My 43rd visit to Vegas, my 4th attempt at a vlog. Hope you enjoyed the little lead-in piece. I'm also going to show you a little outro piece, whatever you want to call that I'm going to use during the vlog. First episode of the actual vlog will probably be like a week from today. I will produce one while I'm actually in Las Vegas, and on Wednesday I'll probably do a room tour video this week, so that's something to look forward to, except looking at me. You get to listen to me, but you don't have to look at me. So very excited about the upcoming trip. I did want to give a couple of acknowledgments before I talk about some of the details, what to expect. First of all, I mentioned last week the Facebook group has been exploding. We've like doubled our membership in the last month. We were at 580 some odd members last week. It's over 720 this week. So we're gaining about 20 members a day. A lot of people there posting, contributing. Sometimes I don't even have to get involved. So it's been really fun watching it grow. It's also added some additional sort of administrative works. So I wanted to give a shout out to Andy Goodspeed, whose channel, A Good Times Productions, is one of the ones listed in the Friends of Vegas Tips and Tricks link below. But he's been very kind enough to take on some moderator roles for me and sort of help bear the burden, which will only grow larger as the group grows larger. But we certainly hope that you'll join us if you haven't. Also wanted to acknowledge we've got a lot of people in the Friends of Vegas Tips and Tricks who either have just completed a trip to Las Vegas or are about to embark on a trip to Las Vegas. So you'll definitely want to subscribe to those channels. I just finished up Mark Anderson's vlog. It was a great thing to have after Matt Bridger went back to the UK. It was fun watching Mark's vlogs every day. I think he's really hitting his stride, so check him out. Anissa617 in the middle of his vlog. I really love his down-to-earth, honest approach to his subject matter, and he just tells it like it is, shows you his experiences, good, bad, and ugly, so check him out as well. And of course we got Nikki Fromage going to be in Vegas soon. We Work to Visit Vegas is there right now. Vegas Best Ideas is going to be there. Andy's going to be there with the Good Times Productions. A lot of us are going to meet up together at the Vegas Summit next Tuesday, so if you're going to be around the Beer House in the Park Entertainment District between New York and Park MGM, formerly Monte Carlo, please feel free to join us. Last year there were like, 8 of us, I think, that kind of put this thing together. Thanks to Dave's hard work there with We Work to Visit Vegas, we're probably going to have several dozen people there, so it shouldn't be hard to spot, even if my alcohol-infused loud voice is not audible when you walk by. But please feel free to stop by and say hi, and if you see me in Las Vegas, please feel free to stop by and give me money and beers. But seriously, and getting back to the matter at hand, the trip, I will be flying out late Tuesday afternoon, arriving about 6 o'clock Vegas time, checking into my room at the Flamingo for 3 nights. They're nice enough to comp me that room. I'll be staying in one of the newly refurbished Flamingo rooms. So I think that they look nice. I like kind of playing in that casino, but when I stayed there the last time, the room was kind of worn. And I had issues, so I'm hoping that the new rooms are going to be much fresher and nicer. And I'll probably spend a fair amount of time playing there. For some reason I'm fairly lucky there, or over at the Cromwell. But the first night I really don't have any plans much beyond attending Summit 2. On Wednesday, I don't know, I'll probably catch some kind of a brunch buffet, or maybe catch lunch somewhere on the Strip. Then I'm going downtown Wednesday night. Actually got a room at the Plaza, one of the new luxe rooms at the Plaza. So I think that'll be fun to see. So I'll probably spend more time on the west side of Fremont Street this trip, playing at the Plaza, maybe playing at Boyd a little bit, trying to get my card status back up to Sapphire for next year. So definitely have to check out some of my favorites while I'm there, like Banger Brewing or Pizza Rock. but hopefully catch a couple of new sort of watering holes in the Fremont East District while I am in town as well. And I'm planning, if it works out, to go out to the Neon Museum for their guided tour that afternoon/evening as well. Kind of wish I was able to spend a couple of nights downtown, but just the way the calendar and the dates worked out this week just wasn't going to be happening. So Thursday back down to the Strip. Going to be probably my big gambling day. Going to spend most of my time working my way up and down the Strip there with the Caesars properties, as I am wont to do. Again, try to get as many points as I can on my card. Hopefully maintain my diamond status for another year, as that has a lot of nice perks. Speaking of which, I might try to do my diamond celebration meal that evening somewhere, but haven't really nailed that down. Also might try to see a show, but haven't really nailed that quite down. If you notice, there's a lot of things I haven't nailed quite down, and part of that is I don't like to really book things in advance if I can help it, because something can always come up at the last minute and you can't make the trip, and then you're out the money. So I figure if I can't get a ticket when I get there, maybe it just wasn't meant to be. So that'll be Thursday. Friday, I'm going to be checking into the Gold Coast for 2 nights. It's a very busy weekend in Las Vegas, and they were nice enough to comp me, so I should have some more opportunities to gamble at Boyd. But then after the fact, I got a room through the Wynn Slots app for free at the Wynn Friday night. So probably get in my room at the Gold Coast, pack up a little overnight bag, catch the shuttle over to the Fashion Show Mall and walk across to the Wynn. I've never spent a lot of time at the Wynn, so I'm probably going to try to mostly spend my Friday evening there. That should be fun. And if things aren't going well there, maybe go over to Venetian or Treasure Island or something. Just not an area of the Strip I spend a lot of time in, so I thought it would be fun. And then Saturday night, we'll be back over at Gold Coast, and then can check out maybe the Palms and maybe the Rio for the last time. Who knows how long that hotel is going to be in existence. So, and also have a little meetup planned with some other Vegas folks that night. I think we might hit up a tiki bar, so that could be ugly, particularly since I have to rise very early on Sunday morning to make my flight. But a lot of activities, and some people think, oh, you're going for 5 nights, that's a long time to go to Las Vegas, and I'm like, I can't figure out how to get everything done that I want to do. So, but I'm weird. I think you already noticed that. So anyway, if you're going to be in Vegas while I'm in Vegas, hey, let me know in the comments below. Love to say hi. I won't give you anything. You really don't have to give me anything either, but it'd be great to meet some of my viewers. We're getting really close to 800 subscribers. Maybe we can get there in the next 3 or 4 days. Just, I think we need like 15, 16, 17 more people, so tell all your friends. It doesn't cost you anything, and there's no obligation. And there's no obligation to come back next time, but we hope you will come back next time when we'll have live footage from Las Vegas. And until we do, I hope that you have a great and lucky week. We will see you soon.